In recent years, scams have surged, with Singaporeans losing an astounding 385.6 million Singapore dollars in just the first half of 2024. But could the latest protection from scams bill be the game changer we need? On January 7, 2025, Singapore's parliament took a bold step by passing this bill, granting police new powers to restrict banking transactions for individuals suspected of being scam victims. Imagine logging into your bank account only to find restrictions placed, but not to trap you, rather to protect you. This legislation aims to prevent scammers from draining accounts while law enforcement, banks, or family members step in. Do you think this measure goes too far, or is it a necessary shield against scams? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Under the new law, police can issue restriction orders lasting 30 days, extendable to 180 days. During this time, transactions, ATM withdrawals, and credit facilities are suspended, but victims can still access essential funds for daily living. The bill also ensures safeguards, such as an automatic lapse after 6 months and an appeal process to the Commissioner of Police. While the bill sounds promising, it sparked passionate debate. Progress Singapore Party's Hazel voiced strong support but highlighted potential emotional and practical impacts on victims. For example, what happens to joint accounts? Should a co-holder's funds be locked because one party is suspected of falling victim to a scam? What about routine payments like gyro for bills? Should victims have to appeal or face delays for essential expenses? POA also raised a poignant point: romance scams. Victims often feel emotionally attached to scammers, making financial restrictions potentially distressing. To address this, she proposed that social workers be involved to assess emotional states before issuing restriction orders. Do you agree that such consultations are essential? Or should the police act swiftly without this step? Another key issue is autonomy. Should victims have the right to opt out of protection if they believe they can manage the risks? POA suggested introducing an opt-out mechanism with safeguards like in-person requests and a 30-day cooling-off period to prevent rash decisions influenced by scammers. The discussion doesn't stop there. How should withdrawal limits for essential expenses be determined? Should these limits be uniform or tailored? Ms. POA emphasized that scam victims need more than financial intervention, they need emotional support and mental health resources. She called for public education to empower Singaporeans to detect scams early and resist manipulation. What do you think? Should public awareness campaigns be a bigger focus, or is legislative protection enough? Share your views. At 22:30, we value your insights and discussions, so don't forget to hit like, share this with others who might be interested, and subscribe to stay updated. Turn on notifications for more in-depth analyses of important legislative changes and their impact on our daily lives.